History is more than just dates and names. It's the heartbeat of people, the foundation of a future. In Tampa, Central Avenue was more than just a street. It was the soul of a thriving business district, a hub of education, culture, and resilience. And at the heart of it all was Perry Harvey Sr., a man whose vision and leadership uplifted an entire community. Perry Harvey Sr. understood the power of opportunity. He fought tirelessly for working rights, fair wages, and the dignity of labor. He knew that a strong community starts with education, economics, independence, and a sense of purpose, as he has once said. What these children need is a head start, and that's exactly what he gave them, through advocacy, mentorship, and action. From the earliest black schools in Tampa to the thriving businesses of Central Avenue, the community built a legacy of excellence against the odds. Barbershops, restaurants, hotels, and nightclubs flourished, creating not only economic strength, but also a culture of renaissance. Music legends graced the stage of Central Avenue, filling the streets with the sounds of jazz, blues, and soul. During its heyday, Central Avenue was more than just an entertainment hub. It was a beacon of black excellence, a place where dreams were realized and the futures were forged. It stood as a proof that given the opportunity, a community could thrive and define its own destiny. Through the times have changed, the spirits of Central Avenue and Perry Harvey Sr. legacy lives on. His fight for justice, his belief in education, and his dedication to community empowerment continues to inspire. Today we honor that legacy by remembering our history, knowing for our future, and ensuring that each and every child gets the head start they deserve. This is our story, this is our strength, this is our future.